kapag mapasama sa pool, enough na sa akin yun. Makapag-practice with them, ma-check kung kaya mo pa talaga to compete every single day. Pero nung nasama sa 12, sobrang laking bagay talaga. Injured si Terrence and si Calvin yata fall trouble then that time parang and nung pumasok si Yasi naghahabol pa kami nun doon ko nakita ba na he was supposed to sit out that game papahinga siya dapat pero yun nga nakita ko si Yasi pagod na siya pero hindi siya nagpapasab nakita ko ba na parang nakaka-inspire yung ginagawa ni Yasi ba so ako I was only concentrating on defense eventually nakuha ko yung rhythm ko kahit nandun yung defense parang hindi mo na iniisip parang you're in a rhythm. When you find that rhythm, tuloy-tuloy na We're able to get yung gusto talaga namin makuha. Yung goal namin is to get that goal. Pero in a way, we inspired other people na kami din na-inspired dun sa supporta nila ba. I guess with the way we showed, the way we played, the way we parang supported each other, na-translate yun sa magandang performance namin in a short period of time and sobrang marami ako natutunan kay Coach Sab and I wish I would be part of his coaching staff in the future and yun nga parang iti-treasure ko talaga to kasi yun nga yung last chance mo of playing for the national team is napaganda. Nakita ko si Greg, sila Marcio, sila Junmar and shinare ko sa kanila na marami silang matutunan kay Coach Sab. Yung competition, mahirap nga yung competition kasi you'll be playing teams from Europe, America, yung mga seeded. Pero yun nga, ito yung pinakamalakas na lineup. Sana maging excited sila, open sila to learning new things. And for sure, pagbalik nila sa team sila, mag-grow sila sa person.